I paid resell for this pair of sneakers, and then this is what happened. We are less than 300 subscribers away from 100,000 subscribers, so if you are new to my channel and that red button does not say subscribe down below, please take a second, hit that red subscribe button down below. It's free to subscribe. It helps me out hit 100,000 subscribers, and I'm also giving away $500 in cash to one of my subscribers. To enter this giveaway when we hit 100,000 subscribers, like this video, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, let me know what you guys would do with the $500 in cash, and then DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the $500 cash giveaway. Let's hit 100K. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Now, let's talk about these sneakers that I paid resell for, and then this is what happened. I have a question for you. Has this ever happened to you where you paid resell for a pair of sneakers that you wanted? You were debating on it, you paid resell, you bite the bullet, you paid resell, and then Nike all of a sudden does a release out of nowhere. You wind up getting the shoe and you just wind up paying retail after already having the shoe for a little bit and paying resale for it. Has that ever happened to you? Because I'll be honest to you guys, it's happened to me a handful of times now, and well, this one, I was shocked, blown away. I'll take it. W. So right here, I got exclusive access the other day. If you know what exclusive access I'm talking about, you know what's in this box. If not, well, you're about to find out. Let's get straight into this. I got exclusive access and then took the W, got the got 'em screen. I already paid resell for this pair of sneakers, so I'll show you guys the other pair in a moment as well. I paid like almost $350 resell on the sneaker. The market has went down on the shoe. After the release, it was at like $500. Then it just down. It's been declining ever since. It seems like this model is dead. You guys let me know if this model is dead. But let's get ahead and let's open these up. I do have my info on this side, so I'm going to go ahead and peel off the tab right here. And let's get into this. This is straight from Nike, so I am very, very ecstatic to hit on these. I wasn't expecting it. Let me know if you guys were able to actually get the EA exclusive access along with actually the got 'em screen. Just because you get exclusive access doesn't mean you're gonna hit on the actual sneaker. You gotta get exclusive access, which is one thing, and then you gotta actually hope that you actually hit on the shoe, which is another entire thing. So here we go. We got them. I hit for retail in my size. Retail did go up. They were $200 when they released. Because of the tariffs, retail, Nike came out and said they're going to raise retail. Retail was $205 this time around. Size 11 right there. And let's open them up. We have, you guys know this special box. We do have the Jordan 1 box on the bottom and then a special print there on the top. You got special paper, and let's just get into the shoes. If you guys know, you know. If not, you're about to find out what these are. Hit that like button for me. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're about to hit 100,000 subscribers. We're like 300 subscribers away, a little less than 300. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. And right here we have the Union LA Air Jordan 1 from Nike Sneakers app on the exclusive access. Thank you, Nike, for giving me this W that I was not expecting. And it does kind of suck. It's a little salty, a little sour taste in my mouth, if you will, because I did wind up already having the shoe and paying resell for it. So now that I have another one, I'm debating on what to do with it. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna tow one, definitely gonna put them on feet, that's for sure. I'll definitely wear one of the pairs, so I'll definitely keep them now that I hit for retail 100%. So yeah, definitely gonna wind up keeping a pair of the Union LA Air Jordan 1s. There's so much tissue paper. Nike, if you can lower retail and give us less tissue paper, that would be a W. We don't need all this tissue paper. You want to raise retail, but then give us more paper. I mean, no, we don't need more paper. Anyway, we got the Union LA Air Jordan 1s right there from the Nike Sneakers app. Now, let me show you guys the pair that I paid resell for, which actually is right here. Perfect. Let me go ahead and grab it. There it is. Boom. Now this pair, Nike, and this pair I did pay resell for. I'm gonna put the Nike pair down real quick. And this pair I did get from StockX. So, yeah. I did cut the tag off already. I needed it for a thumbnail. But, yeah. I do have the StockX pair right here as well. So, I can compare them. I'm going to make sure they're real, but I'm pretty sure, like 99% sure they're real. But, from StockX. But, yeah. Right here, got the StockX pair as well. So, I have 2 size 11s, 2 in my personal size, Union LA Air Jordan 1s, boom, size 11 on that one as well. Very nice. Thank you, Nike, for giving me, I guess, a double up. I'm not going to wind up keeping both. It's not a shoe I double up on. I personally don't double up on shoes. I never have, but there are certain shoes I'm debating on actually doing it for the first time in my life. Like, I know they're expensive, but the Fragment Jordan 1 lows, I just want another pair for some reason. And there's certain other shoes that I would like to double up on, but like the White Cement 4s. I do have another pair. I do have 2 size 11s. My person I've been wearing plus another dead stock pair. So I might do it, might just double up. I don't know. I've been debating on it because it's like I don't wear all these damn shoes anyway because there's so many shoes. You know, having so many pairs, when you have so many pairs, guys, it's tough to wear pretty much everything. And how many times are you really going to wear it at the end of the day, right? It gets tough when you get so much. So having a smaller collection to me seems more enjoyable at this point. Let me know what you guys think about that, because having a smaller collection means you can just enjoy the pairs that you have more, and you don't have to keep spending all this damn money on shoes, versus having a big collection that you're not going to wind up wearing most of it. Or if you do, how many times are you actually wearing each pair? You know, because you're trying to cycle through them, show love to each pair, enjoy each pair. You don't want to ruin each pair, so you don't want to wear them down to the ground, because then you want to go get another one. So, like, it's a whole caveat there, whole story there. I'm just ranting at this point. Let me know what you guys think about the Union LA Air Jordan 1s. Shout out to Nike for this W. This is what happened when I paid Resell. Man, sometimes patience saves pockets. I paid Resell back in April for these. So I've had them for 2 months. And now I just got another pair from Nike. So that was unexpected. You know, Nike always has stock. Here's one thing I do want to say. Nike will continue to have stock. Even when they say, oh, it's sold out, it's sold out. 9 times out of 10, they still have pairs. Do they still have Unions? Who knows? But they did 2 months now after the release, right? So I'm sure we're going to see more Nike restocks. I'm sure Nike still has other shoes that you guys are definitely going to want, that they still have pairs sitting on. Who knows if they have anything from years ago? That would be crazy. Imagine they had like Travis Scott Fragments still sitting on. That would be insane. I highly doubt that. But when it comes to newer releases, you know Nike's not always sold out. So that's crazy to see. Finally happy to, I guess, get another retail W and get some exclusive access, because it's been a little bit since I've gotten some exclusive access and actually hit. I've been getting exclusive access, just haven't been hitting on the exclusive access. I had exclusive access for the White Cement 4s. I just didn't wind up hitting. So, finally, got some exclusive access and I hit. Very nice to see it. I'll be towing this pair, and let me know what you guys think I should do with the second pair now that I have 2. Wasn't expecting that at all, but hey, I'll take it. Retail W. Can't complain. Let me know if you guys were able to get exclusive access on the Union Jordan 1 from Nike. Let me know if you guys appreciate this shoe. What do you guys think about them down below in the comments? And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for me. We're about to hit 100,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. We're less than 300 subscribers away. So hit that red subscribe button down below for me. It is free. You can always unsubscribe later. And make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys do with the $500 in cash that I'm going to give away when we hit 100,000 subscribers. Hit that like button for me. Hit that subscribe button. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.